Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to Korea in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for that K-pop merchandise, or handling business transactions, I've got a straightforward guide to make it easy and efficient. Let's dive right in. First off, the landscape for international transfers has evolved a lot by 2025, with more digital options and better exchange rates. The key methods include using apps like Wise or Revolut, traditional bank wires, or even services like PayPal. Start by choosing the right one based on your needs. Wise is great for low fees and fast transfers, while banks might suit larger amounts. Step 1. Set up your account. If you're using an app, download it from your phone's app store and verify your identity. Most services now use quick biometric checks for security. Once you're in, you'll need the recipient's details in Korea, like their bank account number, SWIFT code, and full name. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send. In 2025, you'll see real-time exchange rates, so keep an eye on the KRW, Korean won, value. Fluctuations can add up. Most services let you lock in a rate if you're planning ahead. Then, review the fees. Apps like Wise often charge less than 1%, but banks can hit you with 2 to 5% plus flat fees. Before hitting send, consider any regulations. The US and Korea have tightened rules on anti-money laundering, so ensure you're not exceeding daily limits without proper verification. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive, but some services offer instant transfers for a premium. Finally, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and avoid public Wi-Fi when making transfers. That's it. By following these steps, you'll send money hassle-free. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.